Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to import data from Excel to SPSS. There are multiple ways people use to import data from Excel to SPSS. In this video I'll focus only three methods. Why I'll focus on three methods? Because those three methods are very easy to learn and very easy to use. Let's go to the SPSS file. This is SPSS file. Go to the file option and then choose import data, and in import data I'll focus only these two options. First I'll discuss Excel. Click on Excel button. There would be a small dialog box. In this dialog box I have sample data Excel file. I'll just double click and there would be another small dialog box, namely read Excel file. Just click on OK button. See, data is already imported here. Let's discuss second option. Again go to the file option and then go choose import data, and through import and in import data click on CSV data. Okay, let me explain you a bit about CSV data file. In old versions of SPSS, it's sometimes impossible to directly import data from Excel file. So in that case, what we do, first we save Excel file into CSV format. Okay, let's save. This is Excel file. Okay, this is save as option. We can use this option or we can go to the file, save as. Okay, so let's find the appropriate format, that is CSV. Okay, this CSV format, the complete name of this format is comma separated values. So let's look at comma separated. CSV actually stands for comma separated values. So where is comma separated values? Okay, here is this option, comma separated values dot CSV. We call it dot CSV. Choose this option, reconfirm. Yes, it is comma separated values. Click on this save button. Okay, file is already saved. Again go to the SPSS file, click on file option, then go to import data, and in import data choose CSV data, and now choose .csv format file. Double click here, you will see another dialog box. Okay, now it will take a bit time to enable this option. Okay, now OK is enabled. Click on this OK. See, data is imported, already imported here. Okay, now let's discuss the third and last option. I'll call that option copy paste. For this option, what you have to do is go to the Excel file, open the Excel file, already opened. Okay, and select the data. No need to select the variable names. Okay, just select the data from Excel. Okay, data has been selected. Copy the data. Data has been copied. Okay, come to the SPSS file. This is SPSS file. Make sure you are in data view, because in SPSS we have two options, data view and variable view. So make sure you are in variable view and then paste here the data. So data is pasted here. Okay, in this method what you have to do is you have to name the variables here. Go to the variable view and name here the variables. How you can name them? Open the Excel file. The names are INN1, INN2, INN3. Okay, INN1, INN2, INN3. Okay, I'll just enter these through. You have to enter the complete. See, names are here. So this copy paste method is not recommended for large data set because it would be difficult for you to enter the names of all the variables one by one. I I'll also I have also uh, added the short description of these three methods. These are the numbers 1, 2, 3, and these are the names of the methods. Import from Excel to SPSS. This is the second name of the second method, .csv format, and then third method. Thank you very much for watching the video.